The device includes 2 spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the fuse holder, and then replace the broken fuse with one of the spare fuses. Remove the D and sewage bottles from the back of the machine. Attach a funnel to the water inlet near the D bottle. Connect a hose to the overflow port near the sewage bottle. Fill water until it flows out from the overflow port. Remove the funnel and hose. Remove the cap from the D bottle. The large and small black rubber rings can be replaced with the spare ones in case of malfunction. Fill the D bottle with water and securely fasten the cap. Attach both the D bottle and the sewage bottle to the back of the main unit. Install the camera handle. Install the gold RF handle. Install the ultrasonic handle. Install the spade knife. Install the ion bubble pen. Install the ion gun pen. Install the ice head. Place each installed handles into the holder in order. Pour AS1 solution into the A bottle and attach it to the main unit. Pour SA2 solution into the B bottle and attach it to the main unit. Pour AO3 solution into the C bottle and attach it to the main unit. The ion bubble pen will stop working once the sewage bottle is filled. Install the display. Install the power cord. Once all parts are set, power on the device. Tap the machine icon on the screen. Enter the password and tap the Enter button to access the home page. You can also select your preferred language on this page. Select ultrasonic. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Mode, M1. Energy level, 3. Press the Start button to initiate the process. Select Gold Collagen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Mode, M1. Energy level, 3. Press the Start button to initiate the process. Select Ice Head. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the Start button to initiate the process. Select Skin Detection. Tap the Start Detection button. Place the handle on the facial area displayed on the screen. Press the front button on the handle several times until the indicator turns blue. Then press the back button to capture a photo. After photographing all facial areas, tap the check mark on the screen to access the skin analysis interface. View the complete skin analysis, including the comprehensive report, skin color analysis, water and oil balance, fine line analysis, sensitivity analysis, stain analysis, and more. Select Ion Gun Pen. Prepare the mini bottle with a mixture of saline and serum in a 10:1 ratio and attach it to the handle. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Press the Start button to initiate the process. Select Ion Bubble Pen. Settings. Time, 3 minutes. Temperature, 15 degrees Celsius. Treatment tip, silicone tip. Suction intensity, moderate. Bottle B. Flow, moderate. Select Spade Knife. Settings. Time, 2 minutes. Mode, M1. Energy level, 3. Press the Start button to initiate the process. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.